Hey friends, the technicians at this well-known appliance repair shop, which has a great reputation in the city, shared these tips with us. So pay attention, because we're going to solve this issue. Basically, when the C19 error appears, the dryer is alerting you to a problem with the temperature sensor or internal ventilation, and as a safety measure, it blocks the drying cycle. In the shop, clients often tell us things like, "I turned on the dryer and suddenly C19 appeared and it wouldn't start." Or, "I tried restarting it several times, but the code kept coming back." This makes it clear that the machine detected a fault and stopped before any serious damage could occur. At the same time, many clients notice that before the error appears, the dryer behaves irregularly. Some areas of the drum don't heat properly. There are unusual beeps, or it even shuts off mid-cycle. One client said, "It would turn off on its own, and sometimes didn't heat at all, then C19 appeared." This confirms that the problem is directly related to the temperature sensor signal and airflow inside the dryer. From a technical perspective, this code is usually linked to the temperature thermistor, the control board, or blocked ventilation ducts. One technician told me, if the temperature sensor sends data out of range or the airflow is blocked, the board stops the cycle and displays C19 to protect the machine. Even Samsung acknowledges in their bulletins that this error can appear if the sensor is faulty or if the air ducts are obstructed, especially due to lint buildup. There are also simpler situations that trigger the same error. Many times clients bring in the dryer and we find loose wires, dirty connectors, or accumulated lint which cause incorrect readings and trigger the code. Checking and cleaning these connections and ducts usually solves the problem quickly, and clients are often surprised at how easy it was to fix. Sometimes the C19 error happens because the temperature sensor is damaged or burned out, or the control board has a minor fault. In the shop, we've seen that replacing the sensor or securing the connectors returns the dryer to normal. One client said, "I thought the dryer was broken, but we changed the sensor and it worked perfectly again," showing that you often don't need to replace the entire board. We also recommend checking the air vents and the fan, because if there are obstructions, the dryer can overheat and trigger the error. Some clients say, "The dryer was getting very hot and then C19 appeared," and cleaning the vents and ducts usually helps prevent the code from coming back.